grown together as a team. The collaboration between us all has been really good. The honesty that we have with each other, that as soon as we get this programme through and become as effective as it has been.
So the integration in TRIRIGA for the infrastructure management system has really been key to the programme from the offset. And it's not been one integration, there's a number of integrations through that asset life cycle. And we've took quite a phased approach to the rollout of TRIRIGA and those integrations through the journey we've been on over the last 10 years. We originally started with getting TRIRIGA in, which replaced 150 legacy systems that we used to manage the MOD estate. That was getting the core foundation in. Then the next integration we put in place was the financial systems. So we started to create one of the first fully digital end-to-end workflows in the MOD through the ability to raise purchase orders requisitions for the commercial finance system and actually approve those inside TRIRIGA and actually allocate that to work and turn those approvals into work out on the estate.
This is just the beginning of, we've been on a long journey already, but there's still more to do. We have a monthly user group with the users where they come in. We're rolling out probably about 70 to 80 changes a year still, and trying to improve the product and make it more efficient for the users, especially using UX front ends, which obviously make it a little bit easier to use as well. So yeah, it's just still a lot more to do, I think.
Yeah. And the migration to TAS is just about to come around the corner, and MAS as well.
MAS and TAS,
so
yes.
We've got a busy 18 months ahead of us
Yep.
as we move into the new cloud environments on the MOD cloud.
Yep.
I think the other bit for me was when we started this journey back in 2010, 2012, we were one of the first organisations in the UK to acquire TRIRIGA. And there wasn't a wide user base that we could actually go out and talk to and learn from. So we were actually using things like TRIRIGA conferences and Think and Pulse and things like that in the past. We also joined the TRIRIGA government user group here in the US. And there was a lot of help we got from those other users. So the chance to come and show where we are now, and largely because a lot of the help we got from the wider TRIRIGA community was just a really great thing to do, to actually come and show them what we've managed to achieve with their help in the past.
From my perspective, it's a really important opportunity for a small business to sort of talk about the strong relationship we have with a really strategic client now. So from my perspective as a small business, it's a fantastic thing to do. Kate, what's your perspective?
Yeah, I think the same as you said, really, the chance to show that we, with MACS as a small business, took this on and have made it so successful, really. Yeah. And if others can see that, then obviously they might want to go for an award themselves and put themselves out there. So.